Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Kompani Frank Yamaha. Kawai na gislem de Thuk arshaka ba paukmat haga jala Meghalaya haga khalai trek uyayong arjar khat khandai kala Pyllait Paidbah ya ka Thuk bala tip kerteng kum ka MT15 ka badon han nong Shiliang nong Thamai Shillong ya ga ne ka Thuk balawan ra nungkong haga jala Meghalaya la Pyllait Paidbah da area sales manager ka Kompani Frank Yamaha u Kedarnath Jha u public relation manager u ba Arman ki pasa u workshop manager u ba Tengshan pasa u field sales captain uba san kuparlang sotun kum shibenta ga jinglek man hak jing Pyllait Paidbah ya gane ga Thuk arshaka ki executive member jong ga Frank Yamaha kila ot yo ki hagane ga sngi
I will introduce you with the MT world. This is the global MT series, the youngest, the newest, and the most agile in the MT series. Yamaha's motorcycle lineup in this category, under the concept of the dark side of Japan, right from the MT-01, the MT-10, the MT-09, MT-07, and MT-03. Now, you must be wondering what dark side of Japan stands for. The bike comes in 155cc, as you all know, liquid cooled, 4-valve, single overhead, fuel injection engine. It's got single channel ABS, assist and snippler clutch, variable valve actuation that provides additional valve lift at higher RPM, and then it comes with negative LCD display with gear shift indication, bifunctional LED headlights that are always full of aggression, race LED tail light, and then the wheelbase is 135 mm, curb weight 138 kg, seat height 810 mm, and it comes in two variant colors. One is metallic black, and this one here is dark matte blue. And the price, the ex-showroom price, is 1,39,481, and on-road price is 1,58,000.